Oh, this one?
Yeah.
I was talking about the good one.
That is the good one.
I was looking for the good one.
That's the one to use. The other one doesn't work on gasket material. It works on hard stuff. Hardened stuff. Get all that goop off of there. And goop it right back up again.
Mm-hmm.
Is it not? You didn't take it?
I guess not.
Don't want it? It's not like it's any good. It's just a sample which you need to buy. Be careful putting your finger, it'll rip a finger off or chip off when you
Right in there.
Yeah, you'll feel it.
Yeah.
I'll guarantee you'll feel it. Feel it. It's hot. 6 degrees in here?
Yeah, tropical.
Right up.
That beats the hell out of 57.
Helps to have extra bodies in here too.
Well, the damn heater ran most of the day. I had the blaster going for a few hours. We're down to half a tank. Almost.
For how many days?
4.
To get 4 days to get to half a tank?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah,
And
it's not bad.
what does it hold?
Just under 2 gallons.
That's not so bad.
Yeah. Better fuel economy in my truck.
Mine too. That's I got a new tent for the top of my truck. That's my next project. I gotta drop the transmission out of my girlfriend's truck though. That's top priority next.
Billy had all day to clean this over. He did not do it.
Fucking Heath had to break his bike.
There's no excuse for you not to do your job over here. Now you're making me do it. I think I got nothing better to do. Clean your junk up. See, he's over here. I'm on over here. Right way over there on the side of that heater. Don't pick any nose in the video.
No, I wasn't picking my nose.
Don't pick your butt either.
Is this your bin of bolts right here, Billy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's basically the whole engine.
Yeah.
It goes back together quick.
Yeah.
Everything else was already clearanced. I got the oil wiped off the gasket surface. We got to scrape it today. This clean rag is going to be dirty.
You getting your clean rag dirty?
Yep. It's a dirty rag now. It's a dirty rag. Alright, I cleaned up my deal. Ooh, thumb don't like that. So we gotta scrape the goo off. The 3-bone sealer. Clean that up. We'll put a new layer on it. Slam her back together. You done over there?
I'm good with this.
You've been over here like an hour now.
I got all the big pieces. I'm good with it.
You good for it? Did you clean it up?
Mm-hmm.
Did you wipe out the inside yet?
Mm-hmm.
Did you blow off the crud so it doesn't go in the motor?
I did. Do you think any went down in those lifter blocks? I didn't blow directly in there.
No, you need to blow the stuff out that's all over the bench. So go blow the case out. Go by the door. No problem. Pick it up. What are you waiting for?
I am. I was getting the razor blades. Relax.
Don't need the razor blade. You just need to blow the case off. Just stick it. You don't have to go outside. Just do it right there. Don't blow it right there. Blow it on the ground.
Blow it on the
in the
ground.
door.
All right.
Blow it toward the door, not toward me. Yeah, that direction. We got enough crud over here already. It almost. Nice clean work area. All right, let's go over here. You happy with it? Throw it back over here. Wipe off the top yet?
Yeah. You got my rag now.
All right. Blow that one off a little bit. See if any oil comes out. Just lay it on the floor and blow it on the floor. Don't blow into the floor, there's dirt on the floor. Just blow behind the case, up high. Blow the inside out. Blow down to the blow the crap out of the case. Trying to get the residue crap out of there. Okay, bring it over here. Clean bench. Oil in there. Yep.
You gonna race a bike up there? You gonna run a bike? Just gonna go?
Yeah, we're just gonna go and film, but we'll see. I'm weird. I'll probably at some point we'll go. I'm gonna fucking like it. I want to try it. It's just, you know.
Bring lots of money.
It's the last thing I got is lots of money.
Yeah.
I'm looking for sponsors already, Tatro.
Well, get in line.
But yeah, we're gonna go and we'll do some filming of Tatro and hang out. My chick is a photographer and I'm a videographer
Oh, cool.
by trade, so we're gonna bring some other camera equipment too.
So you know how to edit and all that.
Yeah, unfortunately.
You mean it won't be my normal video quality for the races?
Well, I mean, I'll still film stuff with your camera that you can put
Non-existent?
on your YouTube. Oh, it's non-existent, but yeah, then I'll probably start bringing some camera gear over here and filming some stuff when we prep that bike, that Buell, and then.
Is that one a Buell? Or you got another one?
No, his bike.
Oh.
Yeah, no, that's not a Buell.
Oh, my blast.
That's the only bike I have right now.
About 100 mile an hour blast. I'm gonna fix that problem.
I need to buy a bike that I can build and sell and make some money on, so I can buy another bike that I want to build.
What do you want?
I'd probably build an FXR next. That's what I think. Either that or just buy a Dyna and build a Dyna and then build an FXR after that.
Man, I found my FXR in Kingman, Arizona.
Yeah, I've been looking in Arizona.
And this was years ago, 15 years ago, 16 years ago now. And I said, oh yeah, it just needs a pair of shocks. There's nothing wrong with it. You know, it's a runner. I haven't rode it in a while. I said, check it out, bro. I said, Kingman, Arizona is a long ways.
Yeah.
I said, I drive over there and I get there and you told me you sold my bike. You know, he's all, no, I'll hold it for you. I said, I'm going to hold it. I'll hold it. So I drive over there. I take the 35. He was asking 38. I told him over the phone. I said, all I got's 35. Needs some shocks. Needs a little work. I get over there. This guy takes me out to the garage, shows it to me, and I start looking at the bike, and I stand behind it, and the wheel's sitting in the frame
up
like this.
Yeah.
I look at him, I go, this bike's been in a wreck. I
Yeah.
said, this bike didn't need a pair of shocks. You crashed this bike. And it looked like he slid it down or something. One whole side was all scraped up, the levers were gone. Looked like he slid down and hit a car, and the car busted the shock, right? And so the swing arm was just a little off. It wasn't as bad, you know.
The airline when you done yakking over there.
Anyway, I browbeat the guy. I ended up walking with the bike for $2,200. I told him, I said, no way, you know. He fired it up, and the key wouldn't turn off.
You're like,
Just,
oh, that's
just
another
every little thing, yeah.
You're like, fuck, dude, it's dropping by the second.
Oh
price.
man, I love that bike, dude.
Yeah.
I
Hey,
spent
where's
about
our
a month.
where's our hardware at?
Hardware's right here.
We're gonna need some.
Throwing dirty rags on it.
All right, this is happening. I
Close
gotta
the case.
freaking take this jacket off. I can't go now.
Yeah, this ain't gonna take long. This thing's
Yeah,
gonna
that's
go
all right.
fast.
I'm just gonna spend time.
When I was getting in that story, I gotta take a break here in a minute.
But yeah, we travel a bunch. We'll be in New Mexico,
Okay, where's all the
right
bolts?
after
You got the
Mirage.
bolts ready to go?
Yep.
Um, so I'll be looking everywhere but down here.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't want to. It's just too expensive down here. I more like to find stuff outside of this area and then bring it here and make
exactly.
make it nice and sell it.
Yeah, everybody here has just got their stuff jacked up. I seen some nice. I found some cool shit on there today.
Definitely.
Did you see that El Bruto on there?
Mm-mm.
Over in, I think it's in Colorado. They only want $2,000 for that. It's a
Yeah.
127 El Bruto. I was like, fucking just scrap and shelf this motor again, buy that fucking El Bruto.
Yeah.
Swearing again.
Sorry.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am. I'm a Christian.
Yeah.
Bench has a little lean there, buddy.
You mean this table's not perfectly flat?
I thought that was my straight edge all this time.
Jeez, I don't know what to tell you.
God, that stuff smells good.
On your breakfast brush.
That's like French toast right there.
Okay.
Cinnamon toast.
That's not
Move.
good.
Move. You're in my way.
There you go.
I'm waiting for this crap in my way when I'm trying to work
Knock
here.
that shit on the floor.
Oh, we didn't fix the cylinders on this, but oh well, they were fixed before we got to it. We'll fix those next time. Why there's so much oil and stuff on the case? Why don't you wipe this off?
You grab my rag.
See, the glue does not stick if there's oil or solvent or chemicals of some type on the surface.
That's so.
You didn't put brake clean on there, did you? Did you clean the cam bearing out? Did you clean the cam bearing?
As good as I could.
Yeah.
I was going to ask you what you wanted me to do to it. I mean,
Did you
we
clean
pretty
it?
much kept it clean.
Is it clean? Any chips in it?
I didn't see any chips. I gave it a blow.
It's like finger painting, but better.
Smells better.
Yes, it does.
Depends on your finger paint.
Well, I already smoked this shirt today. I started out, I'm like, okay, let's see how good I really am. Wore a white shirt all day. It's like halfway through the day, I had one little spot from Heath's bike.
Where'd my rag go?
I don't know, where'd your rag go? I see one of your rags up there. You got one, you threw it in my
Right
bucket.
over there. You tied it up in a big knot on that box.
You threw it in my dirty ass rag and my clean ass nuts and bolts.
I need to put my finger in something to clean it. Okay, we ready to go on this thing?
Yep.
You know what we're doing?
Yep.
Any oil on anything?
Nope.
Did you clean it? You check to see if there's any grit in the oil? That's how you check. You go like that. If you don't feel no grit, it's clean. That's how you do it. Rag that. Okay.
Was a pain in the patootie.
One of those right here that I'm looking for I can't find.
Got a flange.
Oh, where's your bottom? So you want the bottom in.
We went through this before. Bottom.
Which way you want them? Give me a bolt, stick it in there. Give me a long bolt, let's go. Bottom. You know what bottom looks like. Stick in the bottom. Give me another one. You know why they're going this way?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because they do.
I'm on this side.
Mm-hmm.
That's perfect, let's use that. Because you have oil lines and stuff on the other side. If it was a later motor. You done yet?
Mm,
Do you know what those are for?
yeah, I do.
What are they for?
These are my rockers.
Oh, you figured it out. Where's your nut?
Still missing a nut. Or
At
two.
least one. Got one there.
Zzz.
Got one down there? Not yet. Got one on top too.
Did you ever find the 1/2" 12?
Yep, it's right there in my socket. What are you waiting for? Ooh, no way. What are you waiting for? You playing over there? Trying to prematurely hug the motor before I pull it together?
Yep.
You gotta wait until I put it together before you hug it.
Oh no.
What?
We're outside the studs.
Oh, I will. I'll deal with it. I'm taking the back apart for that. That one's tight.
Couldn't tie it right where it's supposed to be.
Tight. Why that strip?